नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं कुणाल किशोर द लूसेंट एकेडमी आपका स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज टेस्ट सीरीज शुरू किया गया है जो कि बेसिकली यूपीएससी के पीटी एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड है। मैं 25 ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस को कैरी कर रहा हूं मैं, जिसमें जो पहला टॉपिक लिया गया है वो एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री से ही है। एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री में 120 क्वेश्चंस को सिलेक्ट किए गए हैं जो कि 95 से लेकर 2019 तक है। ठीक है, इसमें 2 पार्ट वीडियो बनाए जाएंगे। पहले पार्ट में 60 क्वेश्चंस बताए जाएंगे, फिर दूसरे पार्ट में 60 क्वेश्चंस बताए जाएंगे। इससे आपको फ़ायदा क्या होगा कि आपको क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न समझ में आएगा, कैसे यूपीएससी अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर रहा है, किस सेक्टर से वो ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस उठा रहा है, ये सारी बातें आपको समझ में आने वाली है। तो इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिए और समझने की कोशिश कीजिए कि यूपीएससी कौन से पैटर्न को कैरी कर रहा है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। थैंक यू। तो इसमें पहला प्रश्न जो है वो कहता है कि द वर्ड हिंदू एज रेफरेंस टू द पीपल ऑफ हिंद इंडिया वाज फर्स्ट यूज्ड बाय, ऑप्शन है द ग्रीक्स, द रोमन्स, द चाइनीज एंड द अरब्स। और इस प्रश्न का जो सही आंसर है वो है द अरब्स। अगर आपके ऑप्शन में ईरानी रहे तो ईरानी भी सही आंसर होगा, लेकिन अरेबियन पीपल उनको आप कहते हैं। एक्चुअली द नेम ऑफ इंडिया इज अ करप्शन of the word Sindhu. Sindhu basically क्या था? It was the name of the Indus River mentioned in the Rig Veda. ये याद रखेंगे कि ऋग्वेद में इसका नाम लिया गया। और एक्चुअली ईरानी पीपल uttered S at H and called this land Hindu. समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात ना? मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वो जो ईरानी लोग थे वो S की जगह H को प्रोनाउंस करते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने सिंधु से हिंदू बना दिया इस लैंड को, और तब से इसी नाम कहा जाने लगा। तो इसका सही जो आंसर होगा वो होगा द अरब्स। ठीक है, अरब्स इसका सही आंसर है। अगले प्रश्न की तरफ चलते हैं। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज ब्रह्मवादिनी हु कंपोज्ड सम हिम्स ऑफ वेदास। सम हिम्स ऑफ वेदास। ऑप्शंस है लोकमुद्रा, गार्गी, लीलावती एंड सावित्री। और इस प्रश्न का जो सही आंसर है वह है लोकमुद्रा। लोकमुद्रा इज द राइट आंसर। और भी कुछ लेडी हैं जैसे सिकता है, निवावरी है, घोषा है, मैत्री हैं। इन लोगों ने कुछ हिम्स जो है उस वेद में लिखा है इन्होंने। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट प्रश्न। मैच द लिस्ट 1 विद द लिस्ट 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोर्स गिवन बिलो। आपके पास लिस्ट 1 दिया हुआ, लिस्ट 2 दिया है। लिस्ट 1 में एरा की बात की गई है और लिस्ट 2 में बताया गया कि कब ये शुरू हुआ है, रिकॉर्ड फ्रॉम। तो ऑप्शन है आपका विक्रम एरा, सका एरा, गुप्ता एरा एंड कली एरा। और आपके पास जो उसके लिस्ट 2 में है कि आपके पास 3012 BC, 78 AD, 558 BC और 248 AD। और इस प्रश्न का जो सही आंसर है वो आप कोट्स में यहाँ देखें। इस प्रश्न का सही आंसर है डी। डी इज द राइट आंसर। मतलब ए का 4 हो गया आपका, और बी का 3, सी का 2 और डी का 1। ए का 4 हो जा रहा है, बी का 3 हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और बी का 3 और सी का आपका 2 हो जाता है और डी का आपका 1 हो जा रहा है। ये इनका स्टार्टिंग टाइम है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है इन संस्कृत प्लेज रिटन ड्यूरिंग द गुप्ता पीरियड वुमेन एंड शूद्राज स्पीक। पहला है ऑप्शन संस्कृत, प्राकृत, पाली और सौरेसेनी। और इस क्वेश्चन का जो सही आंसर है वह है बी, यानी प्राकृत। प्राकृत लैंग्वेज वो लोग बोला करते थे। ठीक है, पर्टिकुलरली अगर बात करें गुप्ता पीरियड की तो वो विमेन और शूद्रा वो प्राकृत बोलते थे, और अगर एलिट ग्रुप की बात करते हैं जो सभ्य समाज था, बड़े लोग थे, वो लोग संस्कृत बोला करते थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द नेम बाय विच अशोका इज जनरली रेफर्ड टू हिज इंस्क्रिप्शंस इज चक्रवर्ती, धर्मदेवा, धर्माकृति, प्रियदर्शी। एंड इज द राइट आंसर इज प्रियदर्शी। इसका आंसर का हो जाएगा प्रियदर्शी। ठीक है, आपने याद रखना है कि 1915 में मास्की एक विलेज है जो कि कर्नाटका में है, रायचूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। वहीं पे एक रॉक इंस्क्रिप्शंस मिला था दैट वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन हिली जोन। In that descriptions, for the first time, the name of Ashoka was found with the titles like Devanam Priya and Priyadarshi. क्लियर है? उस समय से ये देवनाम प्रिय और देव प्रियदर्शी के नाम से जाना जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द टर्म यवन प्रिया mentioned in the ancient Sanskrit text denoted a fine variety of Indian Muslim Ivory damsels sent to the Greek court of dance performance and the paper, and is the right answer is paper। ठीक है, ये बेसिकली काली मिर्च ब्लैक पाउडर है ये, ठीक है, जिसके ये यवन प्रिया के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाए। ये यवंस जो है बेसिकली इंडो ग्रीक वर्ड है, दे लाइक पेपर, उन्हें पेपर पसंद था, इसीलिए यवन प्रिया आया है। प्रिया मीन्स लवेबल थिंग्स, तो यवन प्रिया जो वर्ड है वो पेपर के लिए इस्तेमाल किया गया है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7th, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अनुवर्ता वॉज एडवोकेट बाय महायान बुद्धिज्म, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हीनयान बुद्धिज्म, सेकेंड सी ऑप्शन है जैनिज्म, एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन है लोकायत स्कूल, एंड आंसर इज द जैनिज्म। ठीक है, अनुवर्ता जैनिज्म में आता है। 7 का हो गया आपका सी। अनुवर्ता बेसिकली 5 मेन टीचिंग ऑफ जैनिज्म जो है उसी का ये पार्ट है, ये अनुवर्ता। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं, 8वां प्रश्न, अकॉर्डिंग टू मीमांसा सिस्टम ऑफ फिलोसफी लिबरेशन इज द पॉसिबल बाय मीन्स बाय, पहला है जना, भक्ति, योगा एंड कर्म, एंड द राइट आंसर इज कर्मा। कर्मा इज द राइट आंसर, डी इज द ऑप्शन। ठीक है, मीमांसा बेसिकली इसका मतलब होता है इंक्वायरी। मीमांसा मीन्स इंक्वायरी, प्राइमरी इंक्वायरीज इनटू द नेचर ऑफ धर्मा बेस्ड ऑन द क्लोज्ड थियोलॉजी ऑफ द वेदास। ये 2 डिवीजन है जिसमें बताया गया है मीमांसा सिस्टम ऑफ फिलोसफी स्ट्रेस्ड ऑन द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ कर्मा। इट सेज द लिबरेशन इज पॉसिबल बाय मीन्स ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग कर्मा। 9th question, the bronze icons of Nataraj cast during the Chola period invariably show the deity of with, and options are 8 hands, 6 hands, 4 hands and 2 hands, and the answer is 4 hands। नटराज की जो स्टेच्यू है उसमें कितने हैंड्स है इसी के बारे में पूछा गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द एंशिएंट इंडियन cosmogonic ideas, the sequential order of the cycle of 4 icons yugas, we are talking about the yugas, and the first is the Devapara, Krita, Treta and the Kali, second is the Krita, Devapara, Treta and Kali, so the third is the Krita, Treta, Devapara and Kali, and fourth is Treta, Devapara, Kali and Krita, and the right answer is C। right answer is C, means Krita, Treta, Devapara and Kali। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। अच्छा, मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूँ कि ये फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चन जो है यूपीएससी में 1995 में पूछे गए थे। ये फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चन 1995 में पूछे गए हैं। 1995 का जो पीटी का एग्जाम हुआ है उसमें ये फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चन हिस्ट्री से पूछे गए थे, एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री के। तो 1995 की ये फर्स्ट है। अभी जो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ इसके फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चन 11 से लेकर जो 19 तक क्वेश्चन होंगे वो 1996 में पूछे गए हैं। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन पढ़ता हूँ, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेम्पल्स फिगर्ड इन द न्यूज रिगार्डिंग द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ देवदासी, एंड ऑप्शन इज जगन्नाथ टेम्पल पुरी, पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल काठमांडू, केंद्रीय महादेव टेम्पल खजुराहो, एंड द 64th योगिनी टेम्पल भेड़ाघाट, and the option is A, that is Jagannath Temple Puri। Next, the river, 12th number, the river most mentioned in the early Vedic literature is Sindhu, Satudri, Saraswati and the Ganga। The answer is A, that is Sindhu। Sindhu is the name, the river that taken most in the Vedic literature, that was basically based on the used, it considered that it plays a prominent part in the hymns of the Rig Veda and consequently in the early Vedic religion। Next question, which one of the following is not a part of the early Jain literature? ठीक, तो ऑप्शंस हैं आपके थेरी कथा, अकर्ण सूत्रा, सूत्राकृतगा, फोर्थ इज द भिरात कल्प सूत्रा, एंड द आंसर इज द फर्स्ट वन, थेरी गाथा। Theri Gatha is the right answer। Theri Gatha was a part of the Buddhist literature। Next, Which of the following were common to the both Buddhism and the Jainism? इसको आप पढ़ लेंगे, इसके जो चारों ऑप्शंस हैं उस कोड से दिए हुए हैं। तो पहला है अवॉइडेंस ऑफ द एक्सट्रीमिस्ट एंड द फिनेंस एंड एंजॉयमेंट, सेकेंड ऑफ द इंडिफरेंस टू द अथॉरिटी ऑफ द वेदास, थर्ड द डिनाइल ऑफ द इफिकेसी ऑफ रिचुअल्स, एंड फोर्थ नॉन इंजरी टू द एनिमल लाइफ। कोड भी किया गया है, ए ऑप्शन है 1 2 3 4, बी है 2 3 4, सी है 1 3 4 एंड डी 1 2, एंड द राइट आंसर इज बी 2 3 4। ये दोनों आपके कॉमन है। आप अगर जैनिज्म बुद्धिज्म को पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है, तो जैनिज्म में बेसिकली टू गेट द मोक्षा द टफ थिंग्स हैज बीन अडॉप्टेड। काया कलेश और संलेखन मेथड हैज बीन कंसीडर्ड टू गेट द टू अचीव द मोक्षा इन जैनिज्म। So the first one is considered not the part of the Buddhism because Buddhism considered the middle path. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा दुख और ज़्यादा सुख दोनों को avoid करते हैं। The next question is, in the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? The Kula, Vamsa, Kosa and the Gotra. And the right answer is Kosa. Kosa basically is the treasury. ट्रेजरी है खजाना जहां रखते हैं। द रेस्ट थ्री टर्म्स आर रिलेटेड टू फैमिली। नेक्स्ट, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नोन फॉर हिज वर्क ऑन मेडिसिन ड्यूरिंग द गुप्ता पीरियड? इट्स अ वेरी फेमस, आई होप यू पीपल डेफिनेटली नो दैट। समूला, सुद्रा, शौनका एंड द सुश्रुता, एंड द राइट आंसर इज सुश्रुता। ये गुप्ता पीरियड के बहुत बड़े सर्जन थे जिनके बारे में जानकारी आप रखना, मुझे लगता है कि सबको ये पता होना चाहिए। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एज वेल एज वेरी फेमस इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया। सुश्रुता स्मिता was written by Sushruta and he was said to have been the best surgeon during the Gupta period. Next, 17th. Which one of the following sculptures was invariably used green schist as the medium? Mauryan sculptures, Mathura, Bharhut and the Gandhar. And the right answer is Bharhut sculptures. Bharhut stupa may have been established by the Mauryan king Ashoka in 3rd century BC. Agreed? Next, 18th number question. Match list 1 with the list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1 is the name of the writer and the list 2 is the name of the book, where category where they belong. The first one is Vishakha Dutt, group 1 में ए है विशाखा दत्त, दूसरा है वराहमिहिर, तीसरा सी चरक, थर्ड वन इज द ब्रह्मगुप्त। लिस्ट 2 में आते, फर्स्ट वन इज द मेडिसिन, सेकेंड वन ड्रामा, एस्ट्रोनॉमी, थर्ड वन एंड द मैथमेटिक्स। एंड द राइट आंसर इज, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द कोर्स दैट इज गिवन इज, and in that code C is the right answer, means A considered the part of dharma, B is the part of Varamihir is the mathematicians and astronomer. B is the 3 and the C is the 1 goes to medicine and the Brahmagupta. D is the 4th one, directly maths. Brahmagupta is the mathematician that related to the mathematics. Next, which one of the following texts of the ancient India allows the divorce to the wife deserted by her husband? Kama Sutra is the first option, Manav Dhamma Shastra second option, and the third is Sukra Nitisara, and the fourth is the Arthashastra. And the right answer is D, that is the Arthashastra was written by Kautilya. In this book, moksha has been used for divorce. Okay, next B 28 option. The question is match the list 1 with the list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. The list 1 is talking about the Gupta, Chandela, Chalukya and the Pallavas, and list 2 is talking about the Badami, Panamali, Khajuraho and Deoghar. And the right answer is A, that is A44 means Gupta belongs to Deoghar. Okay, and B belongs to the 3-1, C is the 1 and the D is for the 2, the remaining one. The next question is, which one of the following statements regarding Ashoka stone pillars is incorrect? The first was these are highly polished. B, these are monolithic. The shaft of the pillars is tapering in shape. And the third one, these are the parts of the architectural structures. And the right answer is first one, these are highly polished. This is the incorrect about. Otherwise, all these statements are correct. And the most important that you have to memorize forever, these are the monolithic, means it was formed in one stone. एक ही पत्थर पे बने होते थे. Next one, 22nd question is, which one of the following scripts of ancient India was written from right to left? And the options are Brahmi, Nandagiri, Sharda, and the Kharoshti. And the option is Kharoshti. Kharoshti was the script was actually read or first of all discovered by the James Prinsep in 1740s approx, using the bilingual coins of the Indo-Greek period. Okay, James Prinsep was the first person who read that. Next question. Kharoshti is the right answer. Next question. The famous dialogue between the Nachiketa and the Yama is mentioned in the Chandogya Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Kanthopanishad, and the Kenopanishad. And the right answer is C, Kanthopanishad. Kanthopanishad. Next, 24th question. Milind Pano is in the form of the dialogue between the king Menander and the Buddhist monk. And options are Nagsen, Nagarjuna, Nagbhat, and Kumari Libhata. And the answer is the 24th answer is the first one, the Nagsena is the very famous monk from the Buddhism. Next, which one of the following edicts mention the personal name of Ashoka? The options are Kalsi, Rumman Devi, Special Kalinga Edict, and D is the Maski. And the right answer is Maski. Maski, Gujra, and some others like Uday Golam inscriptions mention the personal name of Ashoka. Next, you have to see the map. Okay, here the clear and visible to the you people. This map is talking about the Mahajanpad existing. The following map shows 4 of the 16 Mahajanpad that existed in the ancient India. See the map very clearly and find out which Mahajanpad has been talking about through this map. Okay, now options are here. You can see them the place of the marked A, B, C and respectively. The first one is Matsya, Chedi, Kosala and Anga. B is the Sursena, Avanti, Vatsa and Magadha. C is the Matsya, Avanti, Vatsa and Anga. And D is the Sursena, Chedi, Kosala and the Magadha. And the right answer is C, Matsya, Avanti, Vatsa and Anga. Next, in the Mahayana Buddhism and the Bodhisattva, Alokitesvara was also known as, first option is Vajrapani, Manjusri, Padmapani and Maitreya. Okay, the answer is Padmapani. Answer is Padmapani. Next, 28. The silver coin issued by the Guptas were called Rupak, Kashpana, Dinar, and D is the Pana. And the right answer is Rupak. If you see the coins used during the Gupta period, Rupak was a silver coin of Gupta period. Okay, and next we can just go for the next. Match list 1 with the list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below in the list. List 1 is the name of the author and list 2 is the text, means the name of the book. The options are Varamihir, Vishakhadat, Sudrak and the Bilhana. And the options are Prabandh Chintamani. Second was the Mirch Katikam. Third was the Virahat Samhita. And the fourth one is Devi Chandragupta. And the fifth one is Vikramadev Chaitra. and the options are in the codes. So you go through the codes and find out the answer, and the correct answer is the B one. Means A for the 3, B is for 4, C is for 2, and D is for 5. Next question. Which one of the following was the corporation of the merchant in ancient India? Chaturvedi Mangalam is the first option, Parishad is the second option, Astadikaja is the third option, and Manigarma is the fourth option, and then Manigarman was actually the right answer, that is the D1. D is the right answer. Basically, a Manigarma was a large and influential guild of South Indian merchants during the period of the Western Chalukya rulers during the 10th to 12th century. Okay, the next question. The Badami rock inscriptions of the Pulkesin first is dated in the Sakar years 465. If the same were to be dated in the Vikrama Samvat, the year would be, and the options are: first one is 601, B 300, C 330, and D 407, and the answer is A 601. Okay, just one thing I'm just trying to tell you. For that difference, you have to just understand the meaning of Saka years and the Vikrama Samvat. Then you can find out the differences, because the same questions cannot be asked in your examination, but the related questions can be. So you go through that first, then you will be able to find out the difference if the question is going to be asked further. Now, come to the point. Next. Many of the Greek and the Kusan and the Sakas embraced the Buddhism rather than the Hinduism, because the first option is Buddhism was in the ascendant at the time. Second option, they had renounced by the policy of war and the violence. And third means C option is the caste-ridden Hinduism did not attract them. And D is the Buddhism provided easier access to Indian society. And the answer is C, the caste-ridden Hinduism did not attract them. Next question, that is the 33rd, means 33. The Ashoka major rock edicts which tell us about the Sangam kingdom include rock edicts. The first option is 1 and 10. These are the name of basically the rock edicts found related to the Ashokas. 1 and 10, 1 and 11, 2 and 13, 2 and 14, and the answer is C, that is 2 and 13. Means major rock edicts which tell about the Sangam kingdom including the rock edicts, that is 2 and 13. Now come to the point. The next point question is which of the following pairs are correctly matched? The first one, mixed Katikam to Sudraka, Buddhacharita to the Vasuvandhu, Mudra Rakshas to the Vishakhadat, Harshchaita to the Banbhat. You have to find out, select the correct answer using the codes given below. And the codes are, first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, B 1, 3, 4, C 1, 4, D 2, 3. And the right answer is B, that is 1, 3, 4. Now, 35th question, that is, what is the correct chronological order in which the following appeared in India? The first in gold coins, second is punch marked silver coins, third one is iron plough, and the fourth is urban culture. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. See the codes and go tell me the answer or write it. Just the answer is D, that is 4, 3, 2, 1 in the very reciprocal manner. Following appeared. First appeared urban culture, then iron plough, punch mark silver coins, then the gold coins. Now the 36th one, it is about the first assertions. According to the Ashoka's edicts, social harmony among the people was more important than the religious devotion. Reason, he spread the ideas of equity instead of promotion of religion. And here the options are both A and R true, but R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R true, but the R is not correct explanation of A. C, A is true but R is false. D, A is false but R is true, and the right answer is A means what? Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Lothal, ancient dockyard; Sarnath, first sermon of Buddha; Rajgir, lion capital of Ashoka; Nalanda, great seats of Buddhist learning. And select the correct answer using the codes given below, and the codes are: the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 3 and 4, C is 1, 2 and 4, and D 1 and 2, and the right answer is C, that is 1, 2, 4. Next. Lion capital of Osaka is in Sarnath, not in Rajgiri. Okay. Which of the following ancient Indian records is the earliest royal order of the preserved food grain to be utilized during the crisis in the country? The first is Sohgora copper plate, Urumandepila edicts of Asoka, Prayag Prasasti, and the fourth one is the Mahrauli Pilar inscriptions of Chandra. And the right answer is the first one, that is Sohgara copper plate. I hope you people have heard. This is the earliest known copper plate called Sohgara. Is a basically Maurya record that mentions the famine's relief efforts. It is one of the very few pre-Ashoka Brahmi inscriptions in India. Now, fourth one, 40 number question. Next question is 41. 40. The given map related to. Just see the map properly, and here first one is the Kanishka at the time of his death, Samudragupta after the close of his South Indian campaign, C, Ashoka towards close of his reign, fourth means D, the empire of the Thaneshwar on the eve of the Harsha accession, and the right answer is C, that Ashoka towards close of his reign. This map is basically related to the reign of Ashoka towards the end of his rule, popularly known as Ashoka's the Great, was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty who ruled over the Indian subcontinent from 269 to 332 BC. Now, 41 question number. From the 3rd century AD, when the Hun invasion ended, the Roman Empire and the Indian merchants relied more and more on, and options are, here the options are African trade, West European trade, Southeast Asian trade, and the D, Middle Eastern trade. And the right answer is C, that is Southeast Asian trade. Southeast Asian trade is the right answer. Now, next, the following person came to India at one time or another. The first option is Fahian, Itzing, Megasthenes, and Huansong. It is also known as Yuan Chuang. This person is Huansong is also known as Yuan Chuang. The correct chronological sequence of their visit is 3124, 3142, 1324, 1342, and the right answer is, that is B, 3142. Okay. Now, next question. That is 43. Which one of the following was initially the most powerful state of India in the 6th century BC? That is, option first is Gandhar, B, Kamboj, C, Kasi, and D, Magda, and the right answer is Magda. I hope you people definitely know it was the most powerful during 6th century. Next, the Indo-Laos kingdom set up in the North Afghanistan in the beginning of the 2nd century BC was Bactria, Scythia, Gedarsia, and the Arya. And the right answer is Bactria. Bactria was the most considered ancient civilization of the Iranian people. Ancient Bactria was located between Hindu Kush and the mountain range and the Amu Darya river, covering the flat region that is modern day Afghanistan and Tajikistan. The next question is the 45th. The term Aryan denotes an ethnic group, a nomadic people, a speech group, a superior race. And the right answer is C, that is a speech group. Here the It was not asked that what do you mean by Aryan. If it is, then the answer would be the superior race. It is the Aryan terms. The term Aryan denotes what? The speech group. Basically, Aryan is a language spoken in the. In fact, is a linguistic term indicating a speech group of Indo-European origin. It is not the ethnic term. Okay. Next, 46. 46 question. Which one of the following ports handled the North Indian trade during the Gupta period? And the first option is Tamilipti, B is the Broach, C is the Kalyan, and D is the Cambrai. And the right answer is Tamrilipta, or Tamrilipti. Both are the same here. Actually, it was the name of an ancient city of the Bay of Bengal, corresponding with the Tamluk in the modern day India. Tamrilipti may have been one of the most important urban centers of trade and commerce of early historics in India. Now, next question, that is 47th. Here some assertions. Basically, the assertion is given: the Aham and the Puram poems of the Padian Kilku Kanuku group formed a continuous of the Sangam composition, and the first reasons is given: they were included under the post Sangam works against the Sangam works proper. Here the options are both A and R is true, but R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A are untrue, R is not correct explanation of A. C is the A is true, R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. And the right answer is A, means what? Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, 48. Again the assertions. The emphasis of Jainism on non-violence prevented the agriculturist from the embracing Jainism. Reason: the cultivation involved killing of insects and pests. Options both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. And the right answer is again A, means both the statements are true, and the reason is correct explanation of assertions. Now 49th. The origin of feudal system in ancient India can be traced to the military campaigns. Reason: there was a considerable expansion of the feudal system during the Gupta period. And options are again both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. I hope you people are getting me properly. Okay, the answer is B. Both the statements are true, but do not explain each other. Next 50 question. Assertion: Ashoka annexed Kalinga to the Maurya Empire, and the reason: Kalinga controlled the land and sea routes of South India. Options are both A and R are true, but R is correct explanation of A. Both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C, A is true and R is false. D, A is false, but R is true, and the answer is A. Both A and R true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Now 51. The practice of military governorship was first introduced in India by the first one, Greek, Shakas, B, Parthians, and D, Mughals. And the right answer is A, that is Greek, who was who introduced the military governorship in India first of all, and they appointed their governors called Statgos. Okay, now 52. Which one of the following dynasty was ruling over North India at the time of Alexander's invasion? And the option are Nanda, Maurya, Sunga, and Kanna. It's a very common question, and nowadays exactly asking very commonly in the very examination, so many examinations. So answer would be the A, that is Nanda, Dhanananda was the last king of the Nanda dynasty that time when the Alexander invaded India. Hoysala. Next question is Hoysala. Monuments are found in. The first one is Hampi and the Hosta, Halibut and the Belur, third Mysore and the Bangalore, and the fourth one is Srinagar and Dharwar. And the right answer is B, that is Halibut and the Belur. Next, which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? 54th. The Harappan civilization painted graveware. The Kushans, Gandhar School of Art. The Mughals, Ajanta paintings. And D, the Marathas, Pahari schools of painting. And the right answer is B, means the Kushans, Gandhar School of Art. This is the only pair that is corrected, that is correctly matched. Next question, 55th. Again the assertions. Harshvardhana convened the Prayag assembly. Reason, he wanted to popularize only the Mahayana from the Buddhism. Options, both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. That is the D option. And the right answer is B, means both A are true, but R is not the correct explanation. To popularize the Mahayana from the Buddhism, Harshvardhana convened the assembly of the Kannauj. The Prayag assembly was convened to popularize himself, not the Mahayana. Next, 56. Which one of the Chola kings conquered the Ceylon? The first one is Aditya I, second one is the Raja Raj first, third one is Rajendra, and D is the Vijayalaya. And the right answer is C, that is Rajendra. Okay, Rajendra is the right answer. Next, 57. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of the Kanishka at Kashmir? And the option are Vashwa, Nagarjuna, Sudraka and Vashumitra. Last option is the D. And the right answer is also D, that is Vashumitra. Vashumitra and Ashwagosha together presided over the fourth council. In his council, Buddhists were divided into Mahayana and Hinayan. Next, 58 question. Which one of the following animals was not represented? Seals and the terracottas art of the Harappan culture. Options are cow, elephant, rhinoceros, and D, the tiger. And right answer is cow. Cow, camel, horse, and the lion were not depicted on the seals. Unicorn, bull was the animal most commonly represented on the seals. Now, 59th questions. 59th question. Match the following ancient site, list archaeological findings, and select the correct answer using the course. The list one. Ancient Lothal, Kalibanga, Dholavira, Banavali. Or if you see that list 2, that is the plowed field, dockyard. Third terracotta replica of plow, and the fourth is an inscriptions comprising 10 large size sign of the Harappan script, and here the codes are given. So find out the answer, and the answer is the B. The correct match is option D. Okay. The last question of today. Actually, I am just giving it. Actually, 120 question has been selected, and these questions have been asked in the UPSC since 1995 to 2019, and this is the first part where we are discussing only 60 questions. First 60 question. In the second video, we'll discuss remaining 60 questions. So the last 60 question, and that is the 60 number question for today, and that is, which one of the following statement is not correct? The first one is the statue of the Gometswar at the Sharavana Belgola represents the last Tirthankar of Jains, and the B is India's largest Buddhist monastery is in Arunachal Pradesh, and C is the Khajuraho temple were built under the Chandela kings, and the last in the Hoysaleshwara temple is dedicated to Shiva, and the right answer is A, the first one that I have read, that is the statue of the Gomateshwara at the Gola represent the last Tirthankar of Jains. So it is for today. The remaining 60 questions will be discussed in the next part. So thank you very much for today. Thanks a lot for watching.